How we can lead the cybersecurity? First of all, you have to have a situational awareness in the good condition. You had to understand insider risk, how you educate your staff, and also the outsider risk, how your technical system side good condition. You had to do very good risk management, but we are all the time talking about the leadership. How to lead the cybersecurity. This is the main issue. How to lead leadership, education and leadership. When we look the cyber world in strategic analysis meaning, we have to always look it from the cyber world up to the global politics and economy. But also we have to look it from the global politics top down to the cyber world. They all affect each other. It's not only the cyber world which affects the global politics, but the global politics and economics means something to the cyber world. We have a lot of different kinds of dystopia, but always have to remember that the technological changes are going much faster than the social change or the business change or political change. Our legislations and laws are also always far away behind about the technical change. Also our business is follow up very much behind the technology. And our social skills to follow up to the technical change is also much lower than the technology itself. And we have seen this in the last 10 years, that the technology has always run faster and faster, and we as humans are coming far away behind. And also our businesses and the organization and the structures in the government is following to the technical development and technical change. And this is the dystopia. It hasn't changed in the past 200-300 years. It has been always the same. Now, the speed is different.